My name is Kyle Kramer, and I was able to do my internship with Westland Construction. Why I chose this internship? I chose this internship because probably the same reasons everyone else chooses an internship. One, it's a learning experience. I got to learn new things and was able to develop some skills that I had never done before. Um, I was also able to build my resume, and then I was able to network with other people, talk with business owners and different people to be able to find out um, what works for them and how they became successful. And it gives me career options, so I'm able to know what I want to do with my life as far as my career. The process I went through to obtain this internship. It was through networking and following up. My father-in-law um, knows somebody that works at Western Construction that's in his home stake. And so I was able to talk to him, and then I was able to follow up and follow up and follow up. And it just, being in communication with him before my internship was essential so I could be able to actually start. People are busy, and so if I talk to him once and he says, "Yeah, I can do it," I needed to follow up with him. So it was all about networking and talking to people and then following up. Things I learned in this internship. One is to work hard no matter what the task. Um, Sometimes I felt like as like an intern, I was given all the stuff that no one else wanted to do. But I feel like as long as I worked hard, no matter what I was given, that was what was important. The other thing is to talk to everybody. I was able to talk to different business owners and some CEOs of different companies, and just talk to different people, see what's successful for them, and how they got to that point. And then I was able just to ask questions. I feel like asking questions is huge. The other thing I learned is that any experience is good experience. I don't necessarily think that I will end up in the construction field, but I was able to have a good financial background in construction, and that experience has been great for me. How does this fit into future plans? Where it does narrow down my career options and it helps me get a foot in the door. I feel like it's a good resume builder, and even though I don't think I'll have a full-time job at this at Westland Construction, it has helped me learn a lot of different things, a lot of different skills, and I think I'm able to be able to help a different company in the near future. Advice to future interns is one, just to work hard, and then the second one might seem a little obvious, but to try to have some common sense. I've seen different interns and different college students try to overthink things, and so I think having some common sense on just keeping it simple and trying to stay focused on the task at hand. And so that's my presentation on the internship.